I was so thrilled to see Sri Lanka featured on this. Absolutely spectacular, and I think it's amazing that we are featured.
It gives me great pleasure to welcome you for an evening at the movies with Cinnamon Hotels and Resorts. Today is about sharing the story of how we assisted BBC's Planet Earth 3 to. We like to get positive stories about the country into the world. We are also a destination that wants to, stir up and bring good tourism. It is important that we share good stories about Sri Lanka in the world.
What was really nice about Freshwater was the fact that they had filmed them from above, which we normally don't get to see, right? We've seen them from ground level and from vehicles.
I think it is so important because although even as Sri Lankans, we have had very limited opportunity of seeing this thing. And this is a medium that we can take the Sri Lankan crocodile to the world and expose what beauty is there here.
Cinnamon has vested interest in nature, obviously through nature trails and all the great work that Chitral and his team have done through conservation, biodiversity, and obviously promoting and educating all of us about what wonderful nature and wildlife that we have in Sri Lanka.
Documentaries like this, focusing on freshwater, focusing on the mugger crocodiles, kind of bring the perfect amount of awareness to what we have in Sri Lanka, what we can offer, and not only to Sri Lankans, but to the rest of the world as well. So I think it's really great that they've been able to capture this and that it's shown right around the world.